First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez.
Welcome back on this Friday morning. We do have some light snow out there this morning with some mist, but here's your first alert to some slippery road conditions if you're going to be traveling in the western UP this afternoon, as we're expecting light to moderate lake effect snow to ramp up there. Most of the central and eastern counties, I said it, at a green light, so some decent travel conditions, nothing major. Some spotty snow with that frontal boundary that's pushing on through the region, and some mist and lake effect snow likely to increase also near Lake Superior across the eastern counties. So as far as snowfall for today through tomorrow morning, this is again only for a span of 24 to 36 hours, expecting generally 1 to 3 inches along those northwest wind belts, but within portions of Gogebic and Ontonagon counties, that's where we'll have ranges of 3 to 6, and isolated amounts could exceed 6 inches of snow there. Also, there's a potential of a band or two to result in around 3 to 6 inches across the eastern counties. Now, again, this is over the span of the next 24 to near 36 hours, extending into tomorrow. But regardless, that's why winter weather advisories have been issued all the way through tomorrow morning for these two counties, because that's where intensities might be a little bit more moderate at times later on this afternoon, extending into the evening, especially near Lake Superior. Here is what's happening. We have this frontal boundary passing through from west to east. Yes, it's bringing in some light snow and some mist. A secondary frontal boundary will swing on through. We'll see our winds become northwesterly behind that band and that frontal boundary, and then the lake effect ramps up. But right now, it's that frontal boundary passing through with very, very light snow that's also combined with a light mist. So if you are, again, traveling in some areas, you'll encounter maybe some slick spots along US 41 down into Republic along 95, also through 35 at this moment, and along M28. Here's your hour by hour. Watch that frontal boundary moves out. This is noon, and the lake effect snow starts to increase along those northwest wind belts with a little bit more higher intensities this afternoon in Gogebic and Ontonagon counties. But we also have some light lake effect that forms this afternoon across the eastern areas. Then as we head towards tomorrow, it tapers off. The bulk of Saturday looks decent, and then a rec system starts to move in for Sunday. In the meantime, though, it will be comfortable to get outside and enjoy the snow. Mid to upper 20s for our highs today. Tomorrow morning, we start off in the upper teens in the west and 20s in the east. And then high temperatures again for Saturday afternoon, generally in those mid to near upper 20s in some isolated areas. So overall, feeling comfortable over the next few days to get out and enjoy the snow. And we will get more snow for the end of the week. Here's your first alert to widespread snow with our next clipper system on Sunday. So it starts Saturday night into Sunday, and it's going to result in some slippery road conditions, plus some shovelable snow as well. Here's your hour by hour for that next system. This is Saturday night, and watch, during the overnight hours, it becomes widespread. We could have some lake enhancement off of Lake Michigan impacting areas along US 2. This is Sunday morning, so as you're going out to church, know that roads will be slippery at that point in time. You might have to do some shoveling in your driveway. After that, by about midday, this moves out, and then the lake effect snow ramps up Sunday afternoon, and it continues into Monday. We're expecting easily 1 to 3 inches of snow with this, but some areas inland could exceed that, pushing 3 to near 6 inches. Now, this is basically Saturday night all the way into Monday morning, with a span of around 24 to 36 hours. So for our snow lovers, we're getting a little bit more snow here soon. After that moves on out, we do have some colder air that settles in. Teens for next week with basically daily chances of lake